You and you, yes, you who are using the smartphone to watch this video, you made a step forward to end this procrastination journey with me. It's so simple. To end a problem, you need to know its history. So stay tuned. Do not skip this video. This is a challenge for you to end your procrastination. Procrastination is very bad thing. The word procrastination can be divided into three parts: procrastination. Pro is the meaning professional in the short term. Crasti meaning from a Latin crastive is butchering. A nation, you know what's a nation. And three words combined meaning this: you're wasting your time simply. Just you're butchering your thoughts, butchering your successful life, and just going towards nothing. Nothing for few likes and nothing for nothing. So, why does this occur? This occurred due to the smartphone. The smartphone, because it's a touchscreen and it's interactive. Whatever is interactive with your finger is interactive with your brain directly. The blue light interacts with your eyesight and the touch screen interacts with your finger. So directly connected with brain. So the hormone called dopamine, you listen to this many times, will be easily launched by just scrolling. Yes, by just scrolling it. So how to prevent it? So we need to stop using smartphones or what? Just simply listen to me. Simply listen to me and you can do this. Whenever you touch your high refresh rate smartphone, especially these days budget smartphones are also getting high refresh rates, it's very smooth while scrolling, like a live action thing. Scrolling is much more fun. Then how can we degrade it? It's pretty simple. Stop the technology growth? Nah, I'm just kidding. But remember this, you need to stop this addiction right now. Finishing after this video, just 5 minutes. Keep your smartphone right there and write your thoughts in a notebook. Yes, write your thoughts. Make writing a habit. Write your diary, whatever, just make writing a habit. Then you can get on with your daily tasks. Just do this and you'll slowly experience your degrading procrastination. Procrastination disappears? No, procrastination stays there. But you should not fall into the hell. You need to win this. You need to do this. You need to win the fucking success. There will be many parts of this video, but do this simple step and give a like and subscribe to this new channel. Support me